Well, hey there. Welcome to my Bliss review. Hello, my name is John Hooks from John-Hooks.com, and we are going to be talking about the program, the product Bliss today. I'm in the members area of it here, and we're going to go over to my bonus page in just a moment and talk about it. But basically, it is a Udemy type platform that allows you to create courses and make money from those courses. There are people that are making thousands and even millions of dollars doing it. It is a huge industry here. So we're going to come back to this here in a moment and go through it. First, let's get over to my bonus page if I can find it. Alrighty. Okay, so Bliss, it's one-click software, instantly creates your own Udemy-like e-learning sites with 100 hot-selling video courses across 50 niches, ready to get you traffic and sales in 60 seconds. All right, a little bit more about what it's about. Okay, so the worldwide e-learning market is projected to be worth $325 billion in 2025. The corresponding figure in 2014 was 165 billion plus, according to eLearning stats. It means that the market will have nearly doubled in a decade. You can't afford to miss out on this profitable trend. Mobile learning could reach 80.1 billion worldwide by 2027. In 2015, the mobile learning market was worth 7.98 billion. In 2020, that number had risen to 22.4 billion. Experts speculate that the number grew rapidly due to the COVID-19 pandemic and the ever-growing group of mobile users worldwide. They also predict that the mobile e-learning market will rise 80.1 billion by 2027. The worldwide e-learning market is projected to be worth 398 billion by 2026, and it's no secret that courses are the hottest thing going. Experts believe that the pandemic has sped up the adoption of technology in education up to 10 years and is changed irreversibly. The Indian e-learning platform, Unacademy, has raised $150 million from Facebook and other investors recently, increasing their valuation to $1.5 billion. Basically, what is it all about? There's no better time than now to start an e-learning business. Okay, so let's go take a look at it here. And before we get started looking at this here, let me go ahead and ask you to do this before we get too far into it. Please go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click the thumbs up, click the bell, and we're off to a fantastic start. Thank you. All right, so there is a review video that is on my bonus page. Well, we'll see it in just a minute or two. But if you are watching this review from YouTube, go ahead and click the link below this video, and the first line in the description should say, click here for to get your Bliss and bonuses, and it has a link. Go ahead and click that link, and that will bring you over to my bonus page, where, of course, at any time, you can click any of these red banners located, on my bonus page here to take you over so you can go to your secure checkout. All right. Okay. So basically, this is your members area here. You have a pretty diverse menu area over here. You can do classes. So in classes, you can create courses, live classes, tech courses, and then you can, continue to add new ones on your own. And of course, they can be in a lot of different categories, and you can list them in a list view. These are some that's just been created. You can create a lot more. You can, of course, create new ones, and you can also do, what's trending in addition. Okay, you can filter them out. You can create quizzes. So if you have, your courses, And at the end you offer quizzes. You can go ahead and do that. You can create certificates. All right. You can have reviews. You can do meetings with consultants and with your users. Great deal of information here. I don't want to take up too much time going through it. As you see, there is a lot, yet it's fairly easy to use, especially to get started, because you are given quite a number of courses to start off with. You're just hitting the gate running to start. Okay, so let's go back over to my bonus page here. So what is this worth? Let's go ahead and go through the pricing of it right now. So to start off with, Bliss is just $17. Includes 25 done-for-you video courses and 25 skill niches. Now, I had this information before I had the information up here about it giving you 100 hot-selling video courses across 50 niches. All right, and so you have that, and there are a couple of offers. You have offer number 1 called Bliss Unlimited. So instead of just the 25 or the 100, it's unlimited. You can make 1,000 courses if you desire. Price on that $47 or $37 on the down sale. One-time offer number 2, the Bliss Done For You, we'll create the courses for you and set everything up for you. $197.97 on the down sale. There's Bliss Agency, which allows you to create this for other people or companies for $97 or $67 on the down sale. You have the Bliss Daily Income, and that's $37.27 on the down sale. And these will all we'll go into further detail when you get to that process. So when you go ahead and start off with the front end, you'll get detailed information about all of these offers. Offer number 5 is Bliss Traffic Club, where they will send you traffic or send your link, the traffic, and for $97 or $67 on the down sale. And then we have the Bliss White Label, the offer number 6, where you'll be able to take Bliss, name it as your own, and then offer it like these people are doing here, $297 or $197 on the down sale. So things to remember about Bliss is that, hey, you're starting your own profitable e-learning platform with just one click. You get easy commissions, no marketing knowledge, no website hosting required. You can pick from 100 hot-selling courses across the top 50 trending niches, compatible with top video and conferencing software like Zoom and Google Meet and Jitsi. A built-in marketplace with 24/7 support to earn the top dollar for every course enrolled. Video and banner ad selling for extra mileage and commissions. User rewarding using customizable gamification badges for maximum customer satisfaction. And 0% effort and skill required, 100% returns and profits. Okay, all of this. And, this is not the typical 30-day money-back guarantee. This is offering a minimum of a 90-day satisfaction guarantee or your money back. Okay. Now, I also have some bonuses that I'm giving you today if you go ahead and pick up Bliss. Okay. And here is the demo video. It very clearly and legibly goes through the whole platform, in just 3 or 4 minutes. And so my bonuses, bonus number 1, I'm giving you Cleopatra. Cleopatra is a breakthrough app that finds and monetizes free traffic from untapped source of 500 million buyers. Bonus number 2 is YT Velocity. So you're going to unlock a set and forget free buyer traffic from Google and YouTube in just 15 minutes. Bonus number 3 is called Accelerate. My Accelerate system generated me $1,000 days without spending a dime. So free traffic, another free traffic source here. And bonus number 4 is called TweetX. this app makes $476 every day, and all it took was just 1 to 2 minutes to activate it. All right, obviously by the name, it uses Twitter traffic, for that. And bonus number 5 is all of the vendor bonuses that they're offering, when you pick up Bliss too. And you will see those when you get to the sales page. And you get to the sales page, once again, by clicking on any of these red banners on my bonus page here. It'll take you over to the sales page. Let me see if I happen to have a sales page up. Yep. Okay, here it is. This is what it looks like. And so you can, if you scroll through this page, you can click on any of the banners here that says click here for instant access, to Bliss, any of those banners, and it'll take you through your checkout. In your checkout, once you complete that, you will go through, excuse me, the Warrior Plus platform, where you will, at the end, you'll have a green button that you click, and that's where you would download your Bliss application. And the blue link here is where you get the bonuses that I offer to you. All right. And I believe that is pretty much it. Once again, I know I was moving quickly and you didn't want to miss anything. Go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click the thumbs up, click the bell. There you go. All right. Once again, thank you for watching my Bliss review. I hope it is something that you take advantage of. And, right now it's offering a fantastic price. If you're not ready to use it at the immediate moment, hold on to it because the price will be higher after the launch period. Okay, that's it for me. And as always, to your success.